Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. I'm really excited to come today and announce a collaboration. And this thing came about totally by accident, and it's just kind of something that happened and it gave me a great idea. So we're gonna go with this. People are, I believe, have gotten accustomed to using convenience meals. We lost our hot water last week. Our boiler went out on us on last Saturday, and it was a tough couple days because we couldn't get anybody out to do the work and get it repaired. So last Sunday, I saw my sister at church and I said, hey, I'm gonna invite myself over tonight and come over so I can take a shower. She's like, come on over. So it was just weird, right? But I went over and this was unplanned. So she did not have supper planned for 4 people. So we raided her pantry and put together a meal that turned out really good, and it was so much fun. So she talked me into recording it. I wasn't planning on it, but I said, okay, we'll record it. So I did, and you're gonna be seeing that video soon. Something I hear over and over in my videos in the comments, and Mrs. Lori said she hears it also. Everyone will say, well, Miss Vickie, that's really sounds good, but how do you use it? If you're canning goods, dehydrating, whatever you're doing, people are, I believe, have gotten accustomed to using convenience meals so they can use something someone else has already put together. And it kind of takes a little bit of imagination and learning to learn how to just get creative with what you have in your pantry. How do you put things together that will taste good and that would be nutritious, and it's what you have? And it really comes in handy if you are in any kind of situation where the stores are closed or snowed in, ice storms, floods, hurricanes, whatever. If you know how to do this process, it's really helpful. And I've learned to do it, and I love cooking that way because you never know what you're going to get, and you really get to the point where it's usually pretty good. After I came home, I got to thinking this would be something really fun to do. So I talked to Mrs. Lori at Whippoorwill Holler, and we decided to call this #pantryraid. Kind of a play on words, but that's okay. We are going to keep this very simple. We're going to say anybody that would like to join in this collaboration, you must name it #pantryraid, and then whatever it is, whatever you make. It can be done in your own kitchen. It could be done if you want to travel to someone else's, and that is really fun because that's what I did. But if you would like to make it out of your own pantry, that's fine. It can be any of your stored foods, and that could be refrigerator, freezer, pantry, but just go in there without a plan, find stuff, put it together, and make a meal. So this collaboration is to try and help us all get a little more creative, learn how to use what we've put away, and have fun in the process. Anyone is welcome to join in. You, again, must name it #pantryraid and what it is. And then you need to email me so that I know to add you to our playlist, or Mrs. Lori at Whippoorwill Holler, because she's going to be doing this also. Keep it simple, keep it fun. That's what it's all about. So accidents can be really good things sometimes, and that's what this is. So if you're interested in joining us as a collaborator or just watching this collaboration, be sure and subscribe below, hit that notification bell, and be looking for these videos to start up. I'm going to try and have mine up Tuesday, but there's no timeline. Very few rules, except keep it clean, guys. That's my rule. Have fun with this. Go in your pantry and get creative. See what you can come up with. That it might be kind of oddball, but it could be really good, because ours was a little odd, but it was good. So let's have fun with this. Thank you for watching. God bless. And we will talk soon.